How to change the handle of your YouTube channel. So let's see how it's done. Once you log into your YouTube channel, you need to click the YouTube Studio tab to enter Studio Dashboard. And next, click the Customization tab in the left side of the screen. Next, scroll down to the Handle section of this page. Here, in this field, you can remove the existing handle and type in the new handle for the channel. The channel handle can be changed only 2 times within a span of 14 days. So remove the existing handle and type in the new handle for the channel. If the channel handle has already been used by any other channel, you need to type in a different handle in this field. Once the channel handle is added, you need to click the Publish button to update and save the changes made. You can confirm the channel handle being changed in this channel handle URL link and below the profile image of your channel. This brings us to the end of this video. Please like my video, share your ideas in comment section, and please